everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. As always, before we get this video started, I just want to remind you all to please subscribe to my channel for new videos like this every Monday and Friday. Today, I'm basically going to be taking you guys along with me in my self-care day, self-care routine. Nowadays, it is so easy to get caught up in the workload of high school, college, just everyday work life. And honestly, mental health is physical health, and you have to take care of yourself before you can do anything else for anybody else. When I was still in school, I would do these little self-care days every Sunday, and now that we're in quarantine, I mean, you could choose any day as your self-care day. So today's a Wednesday, and I decided to do a little self-care day for myself, you know, feel good. Step number one in my self-care days is always just to make sure I have a nice ambience going on. I light a candle, my diffuser, make sure my room feels like a spa, smells like a spa. It just feels good for me. I'm also in my super comfy fluffy jacket from Old Navy, so I feel super comfy and great. I love this jacket. It has like a pink inner thing. Super cute. And honestly, my favorite part of self-care days are making yourself a bomb healthy meal. So to go ahead and start off this video, I'm going to take you guys along with me making some delicious healthy vegan lunch. I'm not a vegan. I've just been really trying my best to not eat animal products, but this lunch is bomb and you guys will thank me later. So it is a little bit later now. After my bomb lunch, I just kind of chilled out and did some errands and just crossed some stuff off my to-do list to get some stress off of my mind. But this next part of the video is my favorite part of my self-care routine, and that is skincare. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use my face steamer and the skincare that I use, and just a whole shower, get unready with me type situation. So let's go. Okay, so I'm now in the bathroom and I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face before I step in the shower, just to further open my pores and make sure all the skincare I'm using later on after my shower just really penetrates into my skin. So this is the steamer that I use. I got it at a TJ Maxx and it's the Spa Life facial steamer. I just go ahead and plug her in to there, and then I fill this little thing up with water and it starts steaming your face. I also wash my face with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser while I'm steaming my face, since it does get wet from all the steam. And then I cleanse again in the shower with this same thing, doing like a whole double cleansing system. And yeah, so I'm gonna wash my face with this while I steam my face. And since I will be showering, I'm going to show you guys the products I use in the shower before I actually go in the shower. So yeah, so since it is a self-care day, I am going to be exfoliating, and I'm going to be using my favorite exfoliating slash moisturizing body wash, and that's the OGX Sea Kelp and Hyaluronic Acid body scrub. I love this stuff. It smells so good, and it's exfoliating while it hydrates. And to further allow this to exfoliate my skin, I use a dry brush, but I use it in the shower. I know that kind of defeats the purpose of a dry brush, but it works great for me. So yeah, I use the Eco Tools dry brush from Target. This is like super affordable and super effective. If you guys are looking for a good way to up your exfoliation routine, I highly recommend this thing. After I exfoliate, I'll also be shaving, and I'll just show you guys my whole post-shower moisturization after my shower. But I wanted to show you guys one last thing that I use in the shower that has absolutely transformed my skin, and it is the Body Shop Vitamin C. I actually found this off of TikTok. This is the best, most gentle facial exfoliant, and it's kind of like a chemical exfoliant, so it's not too harsh on the skin. And this stuff is bomb. It's not that expensive, very worth it. Highly recommend. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair into a very ugly bun. So we have a nice bun going because this hair does not do very well in the way. So I also use this bad boy, which makes me look absolutely ridiculous. But I use this to get my baby hairs out of my face. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this thing and just start the facial steaming process. Okay, so I am now out of the shower and I am in my robe. Super comfy, super relaxed. Now comes one of the most important parts of my self-care routine, and that is my body care. For those of you that don't know, I have a really dry skin, so moisturization is the #1 key to my self-care routine. So I use a combination of a few body moisturizers that are my absolute favorite. Okay, so these are my top 3 favorite body moisturizers, and I have a 4th, which is actually, the 4th is my #1, but I left it last time I went to the Keys, so I'm just gonna be talking about it. So the first one is baby oil. I mentioned this in my nighttime skincare routine video. I love baby oil, but I don't really have it with me at the moment because I left it. But I also use the CeraVe healing ointment. This stuff is so thick and so awesome for anywhere in your body. I don't use this on my face just because it's like really thick, but for your body, oh my god, this stuff is so good. I also use the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy. I feel like people don't know that you could also use this anywhere else in your body, not just in your lips, but everybody knows this is the holy grail of everything. This stuff, awesome. And this is my more lightweight moisturizer that smells so good. It's the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Cream with eucalyptus and spearmint. This smells so good, literally gets you in the most relaxed mood ever. Highly recommend this. It's very lightweight and it's from Bath and Body Works, so yeah. Now that we're on the topic of body care, I also use the Dove Dry Spray, best deodorant ever. And I apply perfume. I know it's weird that I apply perfume to sleep, but I just love smelling good. It's part of my self-care routine. So if you guys were wondering, my favorite perfume of all time is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. This stuff, oh my god, smells my favorite perfume of all time. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, do all that, change into my PJs, and then we'll do skincare. Okay, so I changed. I'm now in my PJs. I'm wearing this shirt with my UF pajama pants. Love those. And now we're gonna go ahead and do skincare, which is my favorite part. So you guys probably see I always have these glasses on my head, and these are my blue light glasses, so I always just keep them on my head so that if I'm like using my computer, they're super dirty right now, oh my god. But if I'm using my computer, if I'm using my phone, especially at night, it's really important to use blue light glasses to, as you can see, the light is reflected, to make sure that it's not interrupting your sleep pattern later on. And it also acts as like a really good headband, so you know, 2-in-1. So I always start off my skincare routine with the Aquaphor healing ointment on my lips. This stuff is gas. It's my holy grail. Absolutely love it. I also apply some lubricant eye drops because I have really dry eyes. I know that's really random, but you know, I'm including everything in this self-care routine. Okay, it looks like I'm crying, but every once in a while I use these little facial razors to just kind of touch up on my upper lip or right here. Usually this part of my eyebrow, like I don't really do my eyebrows, they're just naturally very thin. but I use this to kind of trim up anywhere in my face. And yeah, these are really cheap, really affordable, and it's super fast. You literally do your face in less than 5 minutes, and it costs you $1, not however much you pay for a waxer or whatever. How I do it is I usually just pull up my skin and then do that. And then once it's on the thing, I just go like that and I continue the process. Also, if you're on Accutane, you are not allowed to wax your face or any part of your body, so these are a great alternative. Highly recommend. Next step, we get to go into my skincare fridge. I have a very exciting video coming on Monday, which is a skincare fridge tour and a review, so make sure to subscribe to my channel in order for you not to miss that video. And I'm not going to show you the skincare fridge just so you can see the video on Monday. Okay, so first step is I use this Kiehl's Mini Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. It's super tiny, but I love this stuff, and it's alcohol free, and the fragrance is really light. I don't really like toners that smell so much just because they smell fake to me. It has like little pieces of flour in it. I don't know if you can tell, but I just put a few drops of that on my hand. And I just pat this all over my face. I used to put my toner on with a cotton pad, and then I saw this video that was like, you're literally wasting half the product if you put it on a cotton pad. So just, you know, put it straight with your hands. Just make sure your hands are clean. But I just showered, so my hands are clean. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my all-time favorite eye cream, and this is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. If you guys watched my nighttime skincare routine, you hear me go a lot more in depth about these skincare products and how much I love all of my skincare. I'm a skincare junkie. I love all things skincare. So if you guys want more skincare videos or want me to review a specific product, please leave that down below in the comments section. Next is moisturizer. I actually use two moisturizers, is the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion and the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Rub it all in. I then use my favorite skincare product ever, which is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I rave about this product in like every single one of my videos. So if you guys like it, feel free to send me a DM telling me that you tried it out, because that would make me really happy. It makes me really happy when you guys, like, some people message me about the college video, and some people messaged me about the skincare video and how it helped them and all of that. And honestly, that's just my goal, to help and inspire as many people as I can, even with my 64 subscribers that I have. So last step of my skincare routine is my rose quartz roller. I put this thing in my skincare fridge, and then I just roll my face, and it literally kind of like depuffs you. Super calming. Oh, I love this thing. Okay, so now that we're done with skincare, while I'm still in this good lighting, I just wanted to go over one last part of my self-care routine. After I do my skincare, I usually just lay in bed, watch YouTube, do some random stuff on my computer, entertain myself, edit videos, random stuff like that, things that make me happy. I wanted to talk about this sleep mist. Honestly, you don't have to buy this brand. This is just a random brand that I found in TJ Maxx, but getting a sleep mist is so worth it. It literally helps you unwind and relax so much. It's literally like if you have a diffuser in your face, you know, while you're sleeping. So I just go ahead and spray that on my pillow, and I'm just gonna, you know, now relax, chill, enjoy my night. It is currently 9:50 p.m. This video ended up kind of rolling throughout the entire day just because I did little things here and there in between every clip, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys continue to have a beautiful day, beautiful night. I hope this encourages you to do your own self-care routine right now, because we all know how important self-care is, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.